Today we're going to be doing our second set of notes on the development of Earth. So far we have looked at the branches of Earth science, we've talked a little bit about who's responsible for what content, and we've talked about what is the Big Bang Theory hypothesis. Today we want to get a note page set up so that we can organize a lot of information that's going to set the scene for the rest of this unit. So some of this we're going to do together, some of this you'll be finding the information, but this part is about getting that starting information and setting up a note page where we can really organize what we're talking about, see how things are related, and that we can use as a resource. Today I have something to write with. I grabbed two colors to use. Two colors is not necessary. I think just because we have so many different types of information to cover, I organized it in a different way. So this is kind of our final product. You can see there's just little bubbles around the different bits of information. This makes it easier to separate things and to go in and find what you need, especially when using this as a resource. So to get us started, just grabbing any color. This section is 1, so our first unit, but it's the second part, development of the Earth. So far we've talked briefly about the development of the universe. It being an Earth and space science class, our big focus is what is happening here on Earth. So we're going to touch upon a little bit what has happened in the universe at its origins, but then really talking about the origins of Earth and how Earth has changed over time. Our first section, I'm grabbing my writing utensil. This first section is geologic time. I'm going to just underline it. And then for this portion, we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different bullet points of information we're going to cover. So I'm going to give us like 8 lines to do that. I do these little clouds around it just because I can't draw straight lines. The clouds are pretty easy. You can't mess it up too much. So just having a set space for this information. The next area we're going to cover is the formation of Earth. So this is looking at, we know that the Big Bang Theory is what created the universe, but what eventually led to that matter collecting to create Earth. This is something that could truly take a week or more to cover, but it's not necessary for our goals. So we'll be using, 10 minutes to cover this. I switched my color just to add contrast. We'll keep this the same size. So now we have 2 areas to record information on the geologic timescale and information on the formation of Earth. We're going to set up the rest of the note page just so we have organized space to work. I'm going to box off this entire area. And I just chose to go back to blue. Again, this part's just kind of the aesthetic. Even if you're not someone that likes, making the pretty notes, likes having things, perfect and neat, this is a good way just for this to stand out, to visually be able to look at information, categorize it, and find what you need whenever you're using this as a resource. This big section, we're going to do a model of the Earth and discuss its parts. Model. and parts. This is a big part. This is something that we will be diving into. We'll do an online lab for. So this is where we're going to get that introductory information. This space is going to be broken down into 3 sections. So these sections are obviously a little smaller because there's less space. Let's skip this here. Earth's composition. If we were doing this via reading an article, just straight out reading the textbook, this could be paragraphs on Earth's composition. Not necessary for our purposes. So that's why we're doing it the way we are, just so you can get like boom, boom, boom. We're looking to list 6 different things. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not very long what we'll be putting in. I'm going to switch over to my green and bubble this off. And if you are not a cloud person, you don't need to use the cloud. I just think it's a nice way to organize information to see it visually. Stay consistent here. Our next section that we'll be plugging information for is the Earth's early atmosphere. One of those things that we talked about on like day 1 that we'll be studying is looking at patterns to see what changes are natural and what changes are potentially man-made. This is a big part of that. Our climate has naturally changed a lot since its existence. We know from our discussion with the Big Bang Theory that over time the temperatures have cooled, so there is this natural change throughout geologic history. Climates have gone up and down. There have been ice ages. There have been extremely warm periods. Understanding the early atmosphere and all of these patterns are really important to understanding what's happening right now, so that we know, are these changes normal? Are they not? This final section is the formation of oceans. Oceans have a huge regulatory function on Earth, so understanding their origin is important for us. I switched back to green, just attempting to alternate and make it look pretty. So this is where we're going to pause, just getting the notes set up.